Hello, and welcome to this video on the most crucial part of SEO, that is keyword research. In this video, we'll cover the basics of keyword research and its significance in optimizing your website for search engines. Keyword research is the process of identifying the phrases and terms that people search for in search engine results. These keywords play a crucial role in ranking your website higher in search engine results pages and driving organic traffic to your website. Keyword research is vital for a successful SEO strategy because it helps you understand what your audience is looking for and what keywords to target. Without this knowledge, you may end up targeting the wrong keywords, which can lead to low search engine rankings and low website traffic. To conduct keyword research, you can use tools such as Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, Ahrefs, and many others. These tools help you find the most relevant and profitable keywords for your business. Once you have identified the keywords, you need to use them strategically on your website. Place them in your website's meta tags, headers, content, and URLs. But remember, don't stuff your content with too many keywords. Google may penalize your website for keyword stuffing. In conclusion, keyword research is a fundamental aspect of SEO. It helps you understand your audience, target the right keywords, and drive organic traffic to your website. By conducting proper keyword research and using them strategically on your website, you can improve your search engine rankings and boost your online visibility. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like our video if you found it useful. We will talk about the types of keywords in our upcoming video, so make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update.